Hello, dear. So, today onwards, we are going to start a new type of art, and that is called Kawaii arts. And it is from Japan. And the word Kawaii means cute art. Okay, so Kawaii art is equal to cute art. So, basically, this Kawaii art is quite easy. All you need is to just understand how to make the facial expressions in Kawaii method. Okay, and once you learn that, what you have to do is just make simple drawings and apply this Kawaii facial expressions into that. For example, you can just draw a teacup and add kawaii eyes and mouth to that, and you can put any expression. So first basic thing is to learn about the expressions. Okay, so here I have a list of kawaii expressions and you can do it along with me. Okay, so just let's do it. And in case after this session or during the session, you can text me personally to get this sample picture. Okay, I can share it with you in case if you want, but I want you to practice it yourself so that we can learn as well. Okay, so let's start. So just on one sheet of your drawing book, you can apply all these expressions we are just learning. You can give the title like kawaii face expressions as well. Okay, so simple to circle for the eye and the curvy line for the mouth. And the thing you need to notice is there is no space for nose. Okay, so that is one of the thing you need to notice, that keep the eyes and mouth too close to each other. Okay, and another thing is inside the eye there you have to put a like a one small circle for the reflection. Okay, see like this. So two small circles you have to put on each of the eye, and after that cover the eye completely using a black color, and also you have to put two pink blush on each cheek. Okay, this is the most important thing. So mainly we will be doing this in black color, and only when the mouth opens the tongue should be in red color, and for the heart shape it should be red color. Else everything you can see, and that's it. So this is the smiling face, then a laughing face is there, then a shy face is there, heart shape, everything is there. Okay, so now let's practice one by one. You can do it along with me. Okay, just use one paper to keep this all together. So, and after that we will practice many drawings applying this kawaii face. Okay, that's how kawaii art is made. This is very cute and very suitable for the beginners. Okay, so that's why I'm incorporating this workshop to beginners batch. All right, so let's start. Slowly do along with me each part. If you get any confusion, you can have a look how to make it easily. Alright, so as I said, once you finish this much, you can use a pink color, maybe you can use a color pencil or a crayon, also totally fine. Just put two, and this part you don't need to outline and all, okay? Just the color is needed for a blush, okay? For the cheek. Right below the eye, you have to put it on all expression. And then red color for the tongue and the eyes. Wherever there is a tongue is shown, you have to put red color, and wherever there is teeth is shown, don't color, I mean it should be white. So that's it, dears, all the face expression we have practiced. So make sure you also learn this way, and then to next session onwards we will be starting applying this drawings to each of the face. Okay, that's it, dears, take care.